Hi, I'm Felix, primary teacher of Tritunggal School Indonesia. I currently teach math, social studies, and science. During this pandemic, I've been designing my class using Google tools. Meeting the evolving needs of today's students means adapting 21st century instructional practice where Google Classroom has given the opportunity to students to learn and think critically. So all about information that came across in digital world. And that's the reason why I want to be Google certified trainer to spread this good news. As follows, you will see everything that I have been experiencing with Google for education. Creating a classroom using Google Classroom can be so easy, and you can just make it and follow. You can just say hi to your classroom and post it in the stream like so. And we have some features from Google Classroom that we cannot miss. It is a classroom, classwork, and then also the grade and the setting. The important thing is setting. You can personalize everything into your Google Classroom. And the next one, we have the assignment. We can put some rubric and also plagiarism checking. And for Google Docs, you can make some headings also here, and then you can jump into the sections in your Google Docs. And other features also like citation. You can add citation of some resources there to teach students how to take the resources nicely and fairly. And also there is the preference that I very love to use it. Like I can change the PL into please, so I can just type PL and then space, and yep, it's for productivity, can make your work even faster. Yeah. And the next one, I also make some titles of the lessons using emoji to make it more nicer, and then informing all the instructional video for parents and students using Google Sites, and some another productivity keys that you can type in the Google Docs, like doc.new or slide.new, and you can just pull everything easily. Another, we can make the file into preview mode, so others can get this one, cannot access anything other than just that view. And also you can just push that into download mode. So last but not least, Google Tools can design a highly engaged digital classroom where students can take ownership of their learning. This will breathe new life into my day-to-day experiences as an educator.